What is going on, guys? Got another video for you guys. This is the BadAvatar online. If you guys are trying to get online with the BadAvatar, this is the video for you guys. If you guys are trying to play all your old Call of Duties again back online, this will help you guys. So all you guys need for this is your BadAvatar USB. We are pretty much going to be formatting and redoing the BadAvatar USB. I found the easiest way to do it, so I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, before doing this exploit here and getting online, what you guys want to do is two things. Go over to your system, go on a network, and make sure you aren't connected to any networks. If you are just doing this from a BadAvatar, you probably will not be connected to any networks already, so you should be good here. But if you aren't running a BadAvatar already and are just connected to the Xbox and are just online, you are going to want to forget the Wi-Fi. And then from there, you are going to want to go to Profile, go to Sign In Preferences, and make sure that is off. If you have both of those done, you should be good. Alright guys, so we are here over on the computer. As you guys can see, I do have my BadAvatar USB plugged in. As you guys can see here, BadAvatar 2. What we're pretty much going to be doing is redoing the USB for BadAvatar. It is just a little bit easier redoing the USB instead of just adding in the files. So yeah, guys, let's just get right into it. What we want to do is go into our BadAvatar USB before we format it. Go into the launch file. As you can see, it opened up the notepad. Right here, the USB. We edited this when we did the BadAvatar USB in the first place. So what we want to do is just copy, because when we do the BadAvatar again, we're just gonna paste this right into there. So we can close out of that, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually format this. Let it do its thing here. All right, that is done. As you guys can see, there is nothing in the drive anymore. So now what we're gonna do, I have two files here, Xbguard and the Xeonshackle BadAvatar. The one we used to make the BadAvatar, this you guys should already have downloaded. If not, I'll leave the link in the description once again. You guys can download this. But as you guys can see, this is just pretty much the BadAvatar USB. And then I have a new file here called Xbguard. This is the stealth service we're going to be using. I use the Xbguard. There's multiple different stealth services you guys can use. I use Xbguard just because it's free. You don't need like an online subscription to use the service or nothing like that. So yeah, we are going to be using Xbguard for this tutorial. So let's get right into it here. So what we want to do is use the USB part of this. As you guys can see, there's two in here. There's HDD and USB. So we have the BadAvatar USB open. As you guys can see, it's right here. We're pretty much gonna copy and paste this over into it. Let that do its thing here. Alrighty guys, this is finishing up here. And then once you're done with this, all you pretty much do now, you can exit out of the BadAvatar Xeonshackle. As you can see, everything copied and pasted into there. Now open up the Xbguard. Open up the USB. Now these four files, just copy and paste right into that. It'll say replace the files. As you can see, this is what yours should look like now. Now open up the launch folder. This is what we're going to be editing again. Look for, where is it? Where is it? Right here. NXC as default. Make sure you edit this part right here. All we want to do is control paste. And then that should be good right there. That's all we have to do. Now we just go to file, save, and we can exit out. That's pretty much it, guys. that is pretty much the BadAvatar with the online enabled. So now what we got to do is plug that USB into our Xbox. Alright guys, we booted up the Xbox here. We are at the BadAvatar screen, letting this do its thing. As you guys can see, there is the USB. Now that is the USB we just put the Xbguard files on. So now you just let it do its thing here. This might take a little bit just because it's the first time it's actually running it with the Xbguard files. So it might just take a little bit, so let's just let it do its thing and I'll come back. Alright guys, the exploit has ran. If you guys are having troubles running your exploit, I have read places that you wait for your Xbox to boot up fully in the avatar menu, wait for the avatars to load, and then plug your USB in. I'm not sure if it works better or not, but if you guys are having issues getting the exploit to actually launch on the avatar menu, that is what I've read helps people. So yeah, if you guys are having issues, maybe try that one out. So here we are in the Aurora Dash. Now what we want to do is sign in. I'm just going to sign into a regular profile. It's not Xbox Live. As you guys can see, it told me to sign into the Wi-Fi here, and that's what we want. So wait for the networks to show up here. I'm going to get to my network. I'm going to put the password in and I will come back to you guys. Alright guys, password is in. If you guys are getting those 1 out of 50 attempts and stuff like that, means you guys did it right. See, the 2nd out of 50. Don't let that bother you guys. It just means you guys did it correctly. Now, when you guys are signing into the internet for the first time with Xbguard, it might restart your console, which if it does, it's fine. Just turn it back on and redo the exploit and then re-sign into everything. But yeah, there you go. Everything is signed in. As you guys can see, I get all these weird messages now. That is actually the stealth service doing that. As you guys can see, I got these purple bars. That is the stealth service. So now after you guys are signed into Xbox Live, you guys can confirm that you're on the stealth service by seeing these purple bars. That means you are connected, as well as saying the welcome user with the light mode down bottom. That's how you can confirm you are on the stealth service. So now you can connect to your Xbox Live profiles without any hassle. It should just work. Every now and then you'll get error code where it says the Xbox Live timed out. If it does do that, just wait 10 minutes and then try signing in. As you can see, I am signed in. I can go play Modern Warfare 2, all of the old Call of Duties now online. All I'm going to do now is plug in that black USB with all of my games. As soon as that gets picked up, we'll go down into content and add that path like I told you guys the other day. Go into add the content, put the depth to infinity, and then save. Now everything should start popping up here. Let's just scan. Yeah, there's all my games now. Now I should be able to play all of them online. If the online service is still available for those games. I know this game is still available. I play that every now and then. So yeah guys, I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please leave a like, subscribe. Peace guys.